Boo boo, boo boo.
Soup is ready, nice and hot.
Just remembered that I have a test today. Meh, meh. Oh, time to get up for school. Feels nice and warm in my bed, but I have to get up. Elsa, come on, get up for school. Huh? Why are you making those sounds? Huh? Are you okay? Elsa, stop fooling around. Come on, it's time for school. We're gonna be late if you don't get up now. What? What do you mean no? So are you coming? What does mean? Come on. You keep coughing. I'm sick. You are sick, or you're just pretending to be sick so you don't have to go to school. No, I'm actually sick. I don't believe you. You better be out of bed. I'm going to the bathroom. She doesn't believe me. Oh boy. Oh, don't feel good.
Everyone is here? No, Elsa is not here. Where is she?
What?
What happened?
Are you okay? I told you, I really don't feel well. I'm sick.
Oh, come here,
You're
baby.
sick. I told you I really don't feel well. You didn't believe me.
Let me check if you have fever. Oh, yes, you're burning up. Quickly, go back to bed and I'll bring everything to check you.
I'm shivering. Going back to bed. I feel so bad.
Oh, you're sick too?
Oh, no. I meant that I feel so bad because I didn't believe Elsa. I thought that she was faking, that she was sick.
That's okay.
And
She
I
will
told her to
understand.
get out of bed.
She will understand. No worries.
Oops. Now I feel so bad for her.
Oh, thank God. I thought you were sick too. No worries. Just get your backpack and be ready for school. And
Okay.
Snowflake and I will take care of her.
Okay, sounds good. Hey, Elsa. Please. I'm not joking. Yes. I know that you aren't joking. I know that you are actually sick. I want to come here and just apologize because I didn't believe you, and I really hope that you feel better. Oh, well. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay. We hope you're gonna feel better, Elsa.
And don't worry, I'll tell the teacher that you are sick, and she'll know, and everything will be okay, okay? Well, I gotta go now, okay? Okay.
Okay, let's go, Anya.
Okay.
I'll drive you
Bye.
to school.
Okay.
How are you feeling, honey? Oh, you're still burning up. I'm gonna bring some medication. And Snowflake
so cold, Mommy. I'm so cold.
Oh, Snowflake, can you bring some blankets for her, please?
Okay.
In the meantime,
Shivering.
I'm gonna go make you a soup, hot soup, and
Yes, soup.
I'm sure you'd like that, and it's good for you. And also a tea. Would you like some chamomile tea? All right, I'll be right back.
Here's a blanket. Thank you, Snowflake. Are you still cold? Yes, I think I'm still cold. What? Okay, I'll bring you another. Blanket, please. Meh. I'm a sheep who brought you the blanket. Look, this one's extra fluffy. Are you okay now? What? No. I think I'm still cold. What? Elsa! Another one. Okay, how? Here's a big one. You will surely not be cold after this, right? What? You're still cold? Another one. Man! What? This is never gonna stop. Okay, Elsa, take this giant fluffy one. If you're cold after this, that is so weird because what? Look at all these blankets. Are you still cold? I actually stopped shivering. I'm not cold
You're
anymore.
fine now?
Yeah, I'm actually starting to warm up.
Okay, good. Those were a lot of blankets.
Thank you, Snowflake.
Finally, because look, let's count.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1,000 blankets. That was so much, so many.
Oh, well, at least I am warm now.
Soup is ready, nice and hot. Look what we have, Elsa. Alphabet soup.
Mommy.
Yes?
But I don't want to eat because when I swallow, it feels like spikes in my throat. And
But
it's sore. I
yes,
don't like
that's
it.
perfect then, because soup will help you
Really?
feel better.
Are you sure?
Yup. All right, let me help you sit up so you can eat the soup. There. Cover you.
I feel like laying down though.
I know, but just make a little bit of effort and have the soup. That will help you a lot.
Okay.
And then I'll give you the medication for fever, okay?
Medication. Okay.
Okay, so there we go. Soup is served.
Thank you.
Okay, enjoy. I'll be right back with the medication.
Okay, Mommy. I feel better. Mommy was right. The soup did help. Oh, Mommy?
Yes, honey?
I want my bear, please.
Well,
My
maybe
teddy bear.
Snowflake can help because I don't know where you left it. Let me take the soup away so you can
Oh.
rest in bed.
Okay. Snowflake?
All right?
Yeah, Snowflake. It's okay, look, I know where the bear is. I will get it.
Okay, thank you.
Right over here.
Yay, bear.
Here's your bear.
My bear will help me to feel better. Oh, bear. It's good to feel a little bit better. But wait, I just remembered that I have a test today and I'm gonna miss it. Oh no. What is the teacher gonna say? Oh no.
No, listen. Anya said she will tell the teacher you're sick, so you can just do it next time you come back to school.
But do you think that she will understand?
Yes, lots of people get sick. I get sick lots of times too, so it's okay, don't
I guess
worry.
that is true.
Yeah.
Okay, I will try to calm down.
Yeah, it's okay. How do you feel now?
Well, I am feeling a little bit better. But I'm kind of bored now. Snowflake, can you read me a story, please?
Okay, I'll go get it.
Okay. That's my favorite book. The purple one. Okay.
Okay, let's see. Let's go to the first page. There once was a princess and she went to the castle and she said to the queen over there.
Can you please read a little bit faster, please? Please, come on. You know that I'm sick.
Well, I can't read that well. I'm trying. And the queen said, maybe you should go.
Go faster. Go faster.
Stop! I'm just trying my best. I'm not gonna read to you if you act like this, Elsa. I know you're sick, but come on.
No, my story.
Snowflake, what's going on here? Why are you bothering her? She's sick.
I'm not bothering her. She wanted me to read this book, and then I'm trying my best because I can't read that well. And then she says, go faster. But I'm just trying. She's being mean.
Oh, Elsa, you should be nicer to her. She's trying to help you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Snowflake. I know that you were trying your best.
It's okay.
Okay, now have your tea.
Okay.
It's a nice lemon tea.
Don't spill it.
Oh, I will try. Maybe I'll put it here for
Wait.
now. And you sit up.
Okay.
Okay, let's pour it into the cup. Nice hot ginger tea. All right, take a sip. Is it good?
It's really nice and warm.
Yep, it's gonna help your throat again.
Very nice.
Right. I'm just gonna leave it here beside you just in case you want to have more.
Okay, thank you, Mommy.
All right, and I'll go finally get the medication.
And then they all lived happily ever after.
Wow, that was so nice. Thank you, Snowflake.
You're welcome.
Even if you read at your own pace, it was still lovely.
All right, I brought the basket with all kinds of stuff. Good stuff.
It looks like a scary basket.
No, it's not. It's just a thermometer and then some vitamins, some medication. It looks all okay.
And none of it is gonna hurt?
No, none of it. First of all, we should start with taking your fever.
Wait.
What?
I want to hold that. That looks cool. Can I do it?
Okay, I guess so. And I'm gonna watch what you're doing.
Okay, I know
Okay.
how to do it.
All right. Maybe you go on the other side of the bed.
Are you sure
Okay.
she can do it well, Mommy?
Yes, it's nothing complicated.
Look, ready?
And then press the button.
Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Is
Oh.
that good?
Yeah, it's a high fever, so we need to give her some medication.
Oh no.
All right.
Plop.
All right. This
What
pills.
is that?
It's for reducing
What's
your
that?
fever.
Is it gonna hurt? Is it sweet? Is it bitter? Is it sour?
No, Elsie.
Is it stingy, spicy?
No, you won't feel a thing. You just swallow it, and that's it.
Really?
Yep,
Oh, okay. Phew.
yep. All right. That was easy, see?
And swallow. Yes, it was easy. It was simple.
Yep, and soon you'll feel much better.
That's great to hear.
All right, now I will leave you with Snowflake, and she will pretend to be your doctor, okay?
Ready?
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, Dr. Snowflake.
Yep, see, she has her own bag
Yep.
here with medication. She will take care of you.
Snowflake, actually, Dr. Snowflake is here to help you, Elsia.
Oh, okay. Yay, I appreciate it.
Yeah, so first, in this box, I have some little eye drops that we can use. So let's put them in your eyes.
It's not real, right?
No, this is all fake.
Okay. Beep, beep. Squirt, squirt.
And now blink your eyes so they can go in.
Okay, I'm blinking them.
Okay, and now I have this ointment that we can use. So let's
What
put
does that mean?
It's basically just to help your skin heal. So we can put it on your face.
Okay.
And then we can spread it out.
Well, maybe you shouldn't go that close to my face, doctor, because then you will catch my sickness.
Oh yeah. And then what else? We have a shot. Now this is not real, but let's pretend it's a real shot.
No.
Ready?
Is it gonna hurt? It's
No,
gonna
no, it's not gonna hurt. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ouch. Just kidding.
Yeah.
It didn't hurt.
It's just a play syringe. And then I also have a little spoon, but we can use that for a drink later. But I don't have a drink. But that is all I have, so I hope you feel better.
Thank you. Oh, wait. Doctor.
Yeah?
Don't you have to check my heartbeat and stuff like that?
Oh, yeah. I have my stethoscope. Now
That's a hard word to say.
Yeah, let's measure your heartbeat.
Okay.
Boo boo, boo boo, boo boo.
Is that good?
Yes, it's normal. It's
And now my
good.
bear. Check my
Okay.
bear's heart.
Boo boo, boo boo, boo boo. It's also good. Yes.
You did a great job, teddy bear. You were.
And now I have this little funnel or whatever it's called to check your ear to see if it's good.
Okay. Let's put it in your ear.
Come and tickle them. That ear is good, and then this ear. Yes, it's also good. You're all healthy. Except you need to just sleep and get better.
Yes. Huh? What are you saying? Oh, you want your ears checked too? Dr. Snowflake, my teddy bear wants his ears checked too.
Oh, okay. Let's
His
get your
fluffy
ears
ears.
checked. Let's see. Ew.
Huh?
He kind of has a lot of wax in his ear.
A lot of earwax.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And the other one, It's also some wax, but that's okay. He's pretty healthy too.
But he can still hear well, right?
Yes, he's perfectly good.
Okay, and he'll just clean that out later. I'm getting
What?
kind of sleepy.
Oh, okay. Well,
I think I want to take a nap.
that's good because me, the doctor, says that sleep is good when you're sick, so you should
Really?
take a nap, yeah.
Okay. I hope I don't cough when I sleep so I can rest.
Okay, hope you feel better.
Thank you, doctor. Oh, Elsa! Oh, wait. She's sleeping. Is she awake? Huh? Oh, are you awake, Elsita? Yes, I am now. Oh, I just had a nap. Oh, so you really are back? Yes, I am back. And look! Surprise! Hugs! Huh? This is from the class. Look, it is a Get Well Soon card. And look, it says, Feel Better from the class. And we decorated it. Do you like it? Aw. Aw, that's so sweet. I just love it. I'm glad that you like it. And see, everybody cared about you. And the teacher wasn't upset that you weren't here. So there was nothing to worry about. So are you feeling better? After that nap, I'm feeling so much better. Yay! I'm glad to hear. Look, I will leave this right here so you can look at it and be happy. And, oh, Tracy, come here, girl. Tracy wants to wish you to get well soon. Aw. Hi, girl. Hi. I love you, Tracy. Thank you, girl. But wait. What about the homework, though? So, what did I miss? Elsa, no. Just calm down. Do not worry at all about the homework. You just get well first, okay? And I can catch you all up. I have it. Don't you worry. Oh, phew. Okay, thank you so much, Anita. You're the best. Of course. For my cousin. Anya, why don't you do your homework at your desk? No, I prefer to stay here with you to keep you company.
Yeah, me too.
Aw, thank you guys. I'm so thankful to have you both.
For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.